Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix battery draining issue in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to solve this issue, first of all open settings, and in settings scroll down and click on general. Now here click on software update and check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS or not. So if your iPhone is not updated, so first of all update it, and after updating go back and here scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now enter your screen time passcode and after that click on reset all settings. So when you click on reset all settings, it will reset all your iPhone settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after that restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting your iPhone, your battery draining issue will be solved. So if it does not fix your problem, then turn on low power mode. So to turn on low power mode, swipe down and open control center, and from here turn on low power mode. So after that open settings and click on sounds and haptics, and from here turn off this system haptics and lock sound, and then click on keyboard feedback and then turn off sound and haptics. So it will fix your battery draining issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.